Ms. Hazel Poa.
Mr. Chairman, first of all, I declare that I run an education company operating education centers and a private school. Today, I wish to again urge MOE to consider implementing a pilot project of a 10-year through-train program for primary and secondary school students by passing the PSLE. MPs across time and political parties, Ms. Pauline Strogan, Mr. Hiri Kumar, Mr. Yee Zhenjong, Ms. Kwik Xiao-yin, Mr. Kok Heng Lun, Ms. Denise Poa and myself have spoken up either for the scrapping of PSLE or a through-train pilot program giving parents and students the option of bypassing PSLE. The PSLE remains the most stressful exam for local parents and students. Despite changes to the assessment, the PSLE stakes are high for parents, educators, and students. Chronic stress from high-stakes exams on young children is undesirable. Neuroscience tells us that long-term negative stress impedes the brain development of children. These are bad outcomes for their esteem and mental health. Lately, tragic incidents have given us a rude wake-up call to pay more attention to the mental well-being of our students. Over the years, efforts have been made to reduce stress on students by removing examinations at certain levels. However, the PSLE is the elephant in the room. Previous education ministers have said that, and I quote, removing the PSLE and having a through train will only transfer the stress on parents and students elsewhere, such as at the P1 registration, unquote. But if the through-train program is implemented in a limited number of schools, while the mainstream is still on the PSLE system, this would not happen. This would at least give parents and students a choice. As we learn from the experience, we can decide later whether the through-train program should be extended to more schools. In Mandarin, please. 今天我再次请教育部考虑实施中小学的直通车试点计划。过去10年，陆续有不同政党的议员呼吁政府废除小学离校考试，或让父母和学生可以选择绕过它。小学离校考试仍然是给予当地父母和孩子压力最大的考试。长期的负面压力会阻碍儿童的大脑发育，对他们的自尊和心理健康带来不好的影响。最近一些让人痛心的学生事件，给我们敲响了警钟，提醒我们需要更加关注学生的心理健康。前任教育部长曾表示，取消小学离校考试并进行直通车，只会将家长和学生们的压力转移到其他地方，例如小一报名。但是如果只在少数学校实施直通车计划，而大多数的学校仍然照旧，这种情况就不会发生。这样至少会给家长和学生们多一个选择，然后在吸取经验后再决定要不要把直通车加以推广。In 2020, MOE announced the introduction of student-initiated learning, or SIL, in secondary schools, JCs, and MI. I would like to seek more information from MOE on this initiative. 1, how many schools have implemented SIL? 2, if there are schools that have implemented SIL last year, how was it implemented and what was the outcome? PLD was also rolled out last year. Can MOE confirm that no students are without access to PLD due to financial reasons? After 1 year of implementation, how has PLD affected the students' learning? Thank you.